everyone. I am back with my most favorite workshop and my most loved video which I love doing is Wicca. Wicca is coming back again in March in Chennai as usual. I'm not going to sit and say what is Wicca, what Wicca is not, or majorly in that, because when you Google itself people know what is Wicca. But yes, I will tell you, remove the myth that Wicca is negativity, Wicca is dark magic, Wicca works with negative things. No, Wicca doesn't work with that. I would myself never ever in my life do anything negative, harming even the worst and worst of my enemies in life if I ever have also. So what is Wicca? Wicca is where you become a more powerful healer, you become a more powerful person, where you connect yourself with the elements of the universe. That is one thing. Wicca is where you bond yourself with your high priestess. Now in your case, whoever I select I will be their high priestess. Wicca works in 3 levels. So in level 1, you will learn what are all the festivals in Wicca we celebrate. You will learn certain herbs. Yes, you will be doing certain meditations also. Like I remember in February my first batch had a beautiful swimming pool meditation where we also did the Wicca Pavli video, which became quite famous, and we do the fire meditation. We work with the element of fire separately, we work with the element of water separately. Like that we work with all the elements. And see, Wicca is not a journey where today you come, 3 days you stay with me and work, and 4th day you become a Harry Potter. No. Wicca makes you to grow from inside. There are a lot of meditations, there are a lot of researches, there are a lot of in-depth work needed for you to become, even for you to complete your Wicca level 1. So, why this 3 days in Chennai? First part, the main part is initiation. What is the benefit of this initiation is you are given a magical name, a secretive name which only you and your high priestess and the maiden is aware of. What does this name do? This name makes you more powerful, makes you more potent. Now this name is what you will use in your upcoming rituals, your healings and everything. And the main part here is when someone tries to harm you. For example, if someone tries to harm me, many have asked me, Pinky, so many people do psychic attacks, but you again come back and stronger and stronger and stronger, because people know my name as Pinky. They don't know what is the name which my high priestess had initiated me to. They don't know with what name I work in my rituals. They don't know with what name I work on everything. And that name you will not tell even to your closest family members, be it your mother, be it your brother, be it your husband, be it your child. No one. So that's only a secret which you and your high priestess share. Wicca is a coven. We are a family. I already have a family of 20 loyal and beautiful students by now. I need more students. That is the reason why I have started coming out in open, because before I never used to do in open. It used to be more of word of mouth, but I felt now I need some amazing children. And already for the upcoming March batch, 6 of them have been selected. 6 of them are already getting themselves prepared. The selection process are done. They have started with their pre-assignments, but now few more we are waiting, because I want a batch of 15 students, at least from 13 to 15 students for the upcoming batch. So that's the reason this video is coming. So what does this coven do? We work as a family. When supposing one of the coven member, one of the Wiccan student is not well, we all together pray for her. We all celebrate Sabbats together. So is it that every Sabbat you have to come here to Chennai? No. You come for 3 days. It's more like a Guru Parampara, the Gurukul Parampara we say. In those days in Gurukul, you stay with your Guru, you take care of your Guru, you do Guru Seva. Wicca is also a type of Guru Seva, where you work with your high priestess. You do things which she likes. You help her in her rituals. You help her in everything that she wants, so that you grow indirectly. So Wicca is not where only you grow, that okay, I came for 3 days, Pinky Punjabi taught me and I'm going back and I become a Wiccan. No, I'm sorry. You will have to work as a family. You will have to work as a coven, and you will have to be really loyal and truthful to your high priestess, so that you grow in turn. In February, one of the students, I don't want to tell their names, when she had come here after the initiation, she felt a lot of changes in her eyesight. Her eyesight became better. She started seeing income growth in a beautiful way. One more student who came in my September batch, and when she started seeing the clientele increase happen, she started seeing a lot of changes in her own personal life. So like that, every time you grow with me, you grow as a beautiful, beautiful individual. Wicca connects you with the nature of the earth and not with negativity. Wicca makes you a beautiful person in making amazing, powerful Wiccan oils, in you to do Wiccan spells, in you to do Wiccan healing. There are a lot of research involved. As I said, this 1 year, what will you do? Once a week, you will connect with me for meditation. And again, there will be a group where your maidens will guide you as to what you can do, what you should not do. They will give researches. I want to show you some samples of researches. Now, this is one research of one of my February batch student. If you see, this is all handwritten. It's not done with, some outside work. It is all done by her hand. I want to show you the beautiful Hecate she had drawn. I don't know if you all can see it or not. I'm not sure. But this was done by her. And, she did a beautiful work. This is her full research, what she had done. I want to show one more of my research from my September batch also. A student who works on the cover page itself so beautifully, and then she starts working from inside. So these all researches you make and then you send it to me. What is the benefit of these researches? You will become more like Pinky Punjabi. You will know which herb is for what, which spell is for what is Wicca, what is this, what is that. Basically, when you start teaching others, you will be a full-fledged, powerful Wiccan and a healer. That is more important. Is there only one level in Wicca? No. We start with Wicca level 1. You grow with me, you learn with me, you research with me, you do meditations with me, and after 1 year you go to level 2. In fact, the February batch is going to have their level 2 in coming April. So after 1 year and 2 months is when they are having their level 2. So you grow with me. After level 2, there is a level 3. But it's a slow and steady end of the day wins the race. So if you all feel Wicca is your calling, how do I know if Wicca is my calling? Again, if you are a nature lover, if you are a pet lover, if you feel you are psychic, if you feel you come to know things, if you feel you can judge a person, you are able to understand what the person is going to say, if you have a lot of connect with angels and fairies, again, they say you have to be a Wiccan in one of your previous births. Yes, it is true. In fact, if you are watching this video itself, somewhere Wicca is a calling for you. Maybe not today, but maybe in future. I don't know. If you are an ardent Kali Mata follower, if you really, really love following on Kali Mata, because our Hecate is our Kali Mata. The Hecate of Wicca is your Kali Mata. If you feel you can sense things around you, you are really good in your meditation. When you do a ritual, people love it. If you are a successful tarot reader, like that, I can just keep go on and on with the link. So, if Wicca is your calling, first thing I said, no, you'll be watching this video of mine, of the Wicca. But if Wicca is not your calling, then it's fine. Maybe in future it will be your calling. And that is a selection process. Now, as I'm talking this, my number will be displayed here. You will have to WhatsApp me. I will connect you with the maiden of the team. And the maiden will in turn send you a questionnaire, which will be more like a selection process, and then we tell you what is the fee, what is the offerings and everything. And if you're selected, then you stay with me for 3 days. You be here as a Gurukul. As I always tell my students, I am not going to cook for you. Unless you cook for me, I am okay, or else I will Swiggy it and give it to you all. But as I said, no, I love my students. They cook lovely food and all for me. I'm not threatening you all that you should know how to cook to come for Wicca. No, that is not what Wicca is. You will be doing assignments day and night. It will be more like, a team of students upraising Wiccans night outs, where even in the night they sit and do researches together. They talk together, they chat together. I still remember all my previous batches where they used to be awake till 2:33, and morning by 8:30 all are up, having their baths and sitting for the class. So that's Wicca. You grow together, you flourish together, you grow as a team, and you become powerful as a team. So I think I've spoken enough about Wicca. So if you feel this is your calling, WhatsApp to my number and I will forward you for the selection process. And March 19th, 20th and 21st is Wicca level 1 and it is happening in Chennai. You have to be in Chennai to be a part of this workshop. I don't believe in online initiation. I don't believe in doing any initiation through Zoom or Skype or online for Wicca. So please excuse me. If you feel it's your calling and you want to come, you all are most welcome to stay in my home as a part of my family. Be my children, be my family, grow with me and be the most powerful healers and Wiccans in this world. God bless you all. Blessed be. Let's see who all are going to start their journey in one of the most powerful tools of divination, the Wicca. Thank you.